Hello everyone and welcome to our Islam Grade 4 question and answers video. Today we are going to learn about the Al-Quran. This is our 5th video. If you haven't seen our previous videos, please check out the description below for links. Okay, let's move on to the video. Question 1. In which month was the Al-Quran revealed? It was revealed in the month of Ramadan. It was revealed by angel Gabriel alayhi salam to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. It was revealed at his age of 40 until his age of 63, which means it was 23 years old. But the surahs weren't all released at the same time. Some were released when Prophet Muhammad was in Mecca. Those surahs are called Makkiyah. And some were released when Prophet Muhammad was in Medina. Those surahs are called Mediniya. Question 2. In which language was the Al-Quran revealed? It was revealed in the Arabic language. The Al-Quran was revealed in the Arabic language because Prophet Muhammad lived in Arabia. Question 3. What is the longest surah of the Quran? The longest surah of the Quran is Surah Baqarah. The chapters of Surah Baqarah have an unequal length. The shortest surah is Surah Al-Kawthar, which only has 3 verses, while the longest Surah Baqarah, has 286 verses. Out of the 114 chapters of the Quran, 86 are classified as Makkiyan and 28 are classified as Madaniyan. Which surah ayat was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad? The first ayat revealed to Prophet Muhammad was Surah Alaq. The first ayat was Iqra. The Prophet consisted of 5 verses of Surah Alaq, which has been said, read, or other meanings like write, learn, study. Question 5. What is the meaning of the word Ahad? The meaning of the word Ahad is one or first. Allah called himself Ahad, which means the only one or the unique. Al-Ahad is the one who was, is, and will never remain alone. Question 6. On which night was the Holy Quran revealed? In the night of Laylatul Qadr. The night of Laylatul Qadr was when Prophet Muhammad was at his 40th age. Question 7. How many letters are there in Arabic alphabet? There are 29 letters. The Arabic alphabet has 29 letters. All of them are consonants and they are written from right to left. Question 8. What is the total number of ayah in the Quran? There are 6,666 ayah in the Quran. These verses are divided into 144 chapters or surahs of varying lengths. Question 9. What is the total number of Manzils in the Al-Quran? There are totally 7 Manzils in the Al-Quran. The Manzil, or plural, is the word of 1/7 parts of equal length in the Quran, which is divided for the purpose of reciting an entire text in 1 week. Question 10. To which prophet was the Quran revealed? It was revealed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But there were other 3 books that were revealed by Allah to different prophets. Tawrat was revealed to Musa alayhi salam, Zaboor was revealed to Dawood alayhi salam, and Injil was revealed to Isa alayhi salam, and Furqan, which is the Al-Quran, is revealed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Question 11. What is the total number of surahs in the Quran? Is it 114, 6,666, 30 or 7. 6,666 is the number of verses in the Al-Quran. 30 is the number of juzuz and 7 is the number of manzils in the Al-Quran. So the correct answer is 114. Question 12. In which cave was the Holy Quran revealed? Was it revealed in Hira, Jabal an-Nur, Jamal or Badr? Jabal an-Nur is the mountain of cave Hira. Jamal, which means camel, or also means the war of Jamal. And Badr is also another war, the first war of Islam. So the correct answer is Hira. Question 13. Which angel brought wahee for Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Was it Gabriel alayhi salam, Mikail alayhi salam, Israel alayhi salam, or Israfil alayhi salam? Mikail alayhi salam controls water, fire, and growth. Israel alayhi salam takes the life of people and other living things. Israfil alayhi salam blows the sur. So the correct answer is Jibril alayhi salam. Question 14. Which prophet was Zaboor revealed to? There is a song related to the books that were related to each prophet. So let us sing it. Taurat, Musa, Abrani, Zaboor, Dawood, Yunani, Injil, Isa, Suryani, Furqan, Muhammad, Arabani. Just like you would have noticed, Zaboor was revealed to Dawood alayhi salam. So the correct answer is Dawood alayhi salam. Question 15. What is the number of prophets' names in Al-Quran? 25, 40, 63 or 114? 40 is the age of Prophet Muhammad when the Quran was revealed. 63 was when Prophet Muhammad died. And 114 is the number of surahs in the Al-Quran. So the correct answer is 25. Question 16. Number of ayat in Surah Al-Kawthar. Is it 3, 4, 5 or 6? The answer is 3. Let us recite the 3 ayats of Surah Al-Kawthar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna a'tainaka al-Kawthar. 1. Fasalli li rabbika wanhar. 2. Inna shaniyaka huwa al-abtar. 3. Question 17. The surah known as the Mother of the Quraan. Is it Surah Fatiha, Surah Baqarah, Surah Yasin, or Surah Ar-Rahman? Surah Baqarah, just like I said in the first, means cow. And it's the second surah in the Al-Quran. Surah Yasin is the heart of the Quran. And Surah Ar-Rahman tells about the greatness of Allah and is the most liked surah for Allah. So the correct answer is Surah Fatiha. Question 18. What is the meaning of the word Naas? Is it men, women, angels, or jinn? The correct answer is men. Question 19. The surah without a Bismillah from the following. Is it Surah Tawbah, Surah Yasin, Surah Fatiha, or Surah Maryam? Surah Yasin is the heart of the Quran. Surah Fatiha is the first surah, and Surah Maryam talks about Maryam alayhi salam. So the correct answer is Surah At-Tawbah. Question 20. What is the meaning of the word field? Is it elephant, bird, king, or stone? Bird means ababil. King means sultan. Stone is sijil. So the correct answer is elephant. Thank you. Hope you subscribe to our videos and share it to your friends and family.